Hi, this is Alan at Rapid Resources. Today I want to introduce our new product, which is a Packout bracket, mounting bracket for the Rapid Charger from Milwaukee. And this is a model number 48-59-1808. It's their normal Rapid Charger. It accepts M12 and M18 batteries. And this will take up 2 slots for the Packout, and it will mount sideways like this, as mounting it the other direction would force it to stick down really far and not allow other things to be mounted underneath it. And we'll see when we go over to the Packout wall that you can put an item either below if you're putting it in the top 2 slots, or if you put it in the bottom, you'll be able to fit something above it. It allows all of the cooling slots to be open, and even in the back we have slots here for in the plastic that allows the airflow through coming out the back. We also have some room underneath that allows air to flow through. To mount this inside of the bracket, it's very simple. To get it out, you would simply pull it up. And this is what the bracket looks like. And to install it, you would stick it in on this angle and then slightly pull up on this tab and slap it in place. Now, this is not strong enough to hold it when you have batteries mounted or you're pulling batteries on and off. So we do provide these little clips, and it'll take up 2 of the slots. So you put them in here, slide them in here, and push it down. It's very securely mounted to the bracket when you use those tabs. It mounts in the Packout like our other mounting brackets with the spring-loaded holders, and we're going to offer this in both the black and the red. Just like with our other Packout wall mounts, you just simply put it into place and snap it down, and it's secure. To install the tabs, once the charger is in place, you just simply put it in one of the slots and push it in. And you can see it's held in place. It is not going to come off. So you can take any of the batteries and pull them on, push them on, pull them off. You can have them both on at the same time. As you can see, it holds it in place very well. If you put it up here, if you put it on the top 2, you can mount things underneath. You'll need to mount them before you put this on, but there's still room to mount stuff down here. And then to take it off and put it on down here, you simply put it there. And you can put something else up here if you want. I don't know, that doesn't seem too useful, but maybe you want to put a shelf, put one of the shelves there. You can stick the shelf here and have this underneath. So you have lots of options. So that gives you plenty of room to do that. If you're interested in getting one of these, you can visit our website, ripperdenresources.com, RIPPERDEN, resources.com.